have Roman here. We're here in El Nido. We're taking a jeep to go to our hotel, which is so awesome. Hello, welcome to El Nido. Where are we going, guys? Helicopter Island. Helicopter Island. Chicken Joy Island. Looks like this.
Today our guides took us to Helicopter Island. Usually isn't allowed because it's a very protected place, but they let us come anyways. That we have the responsibility of taking no shells and leaving no trash.
So this is how we steers. Forward is left and backwards is right. And where are we going now? Lalula. This is our lunch today. And Kuya is making it. Snake Island is one of the highlights of Tour B. Finally here, Roman, Snake Island. It's a little sick. How's having cramps? Show must go on. But we're going on a hike. Beauty deck. We're almost on top of the viewing deck. This is way easier than the hike that we did yesterday. So, I forgot how it looks like from up here. Let's check it out. We're on top of the view deck. You want to see it? It's like this. A bar in the middle of the ocean. I'll show you where we're gonna have lunch. Hey guys.
Hey. I feel so bad I was not able to talk with you. This is my favorite island.
We did an airplane.
Later we'll swim. We'll tour the island, you know, the Snake Island. But first we gotta go eat.
Trying to make for me.
Oh, look at that. That's awesome. And pork liempo. Fish. It's chow time. See you later. This is how you order Sprite in the middle of the ocean. Oh yeah, Sprite. Isa. One Sprite. Nice.
What is that?
Red Horse.
Red Horse.
Thank you.
Red Horse. This is the #1 beer of the Philippines. Extra strong, right? Yeah. How strong? Extra strong.
There's a new addition to the Snake Island. Morning bar at the sandbar. We are now on our next destination, Casino Cave. The reason why they name it as Casino Cave because inside or even outside it looks like a carved out of the limestone. Don't quote me on that though.
Cathedral Cave. Yun. Sabot yun. Casa Jerisa. A lot of bats. Oh, there's a lot of bats. Careful, pal. What is
As
this?
you can see, there's like rock formations right there. With the bats. That's so cool. This one reminds me of the kryptonite. We're gonna go take a look. What?
Cheers! Cheers! Woo! Oh shit! Nice! Woo! Whoa! Woohoo! Boat captain is going as well. Woo! That concludes our El Nido trip. You know, we will be back again next time, next year. Hello, Pao. Oh, it's our coconuts.
Need a body in it.
Robot.